Another example of using the engineering design process to develop a solution was again another example in the class of these 3D printers. These Replicator Pluses made by MakerBot have this very strange like recess where the USB stick is plugged into the printer. It really limits the um, size of the USB stick, and it's something that I decided I was going to correct. So I utilized the engineering design process to come up with some different alternatives, to research if there are store bought alternative solutions, or if it's something I need to make. And eventually, after going through the whole process, I came up with this design. It's a mixture of a store-bought solution with a USB extender, a 1-inch extender. It has a male that plugs into the printer and a female which accepts standard USBs, and this kind of filler piece that filled in the gap between the recess and this plug. And as you can see on the picture on the right, it accepts any USB stick without interfering with the printer body itself, which was the problem previously. So this is something I did probably over, a 1 to 2 hour process. But my point is that I approached this problem the same way, albeit a little bit more informally than maybe something we do as a class project. But I essentially followed the same steps to come up with a solution that worked really well. So sometimes when we're solving problems, it's more about having a systematic approach to doing it than it is about being, a cumbersome process that we're using just in class. This is a process that we're going to apply in some form or another to problems that we face our whole life in school and just as adults. So something to keep in mind when you see the engineering design process. I'm not trying to make your life hard. I'm trying to teach you a skill that you're going to be exercising for, essentially the rest of your lives.